these are the TPS spams I use before solving. So basically TPS means turns per second, and TPS spam is basically spamming turns like this. The first TPS spam is one of the basic algorithms, R prime U prime. It's pretty comfortable to spam, and the finger tricks are basically you do the R moves with your wrist and you do the U moves with both your index fingers. So look at this carefully. The next one is the sledgehammer, or R prime F R F prime. This is also a pretty good algorithm for TPS spamming. It improves your F moves. So here it is, the finger tricks that I use. The next one is R prime U2. So you do all the whole set of moves with the wrist and these two fingers. So U2 is done with these two fingers to help with efficiency. So here you go. Last TPS spam, this one's my favorite. It's R prime F prime. The finger tricks are pretty simple, and it can go pretty fast. I'm not that fast at TPS, but here you go. These were 6 of the TPS spams that I use. If you know more, make sure to comment down below. I would love to see what you guys use as your TPS spams, and thank you so much for watching.